This is my unboxing and review of the Alpha Fury 8 inches original SWAT boots. This is the box of the boot. It comes in a black and yellow color box. It says Alpha Fury 8 inches, that is the height of the boot. Color is coyote. This is a picture of the boot. Size is 11 inches UK, 46 centimeters Europe, USA size 12. Let's open the boot. Which side is it? Yep. So these are the boots and I really like the color. The color again is coyote tan. I already have the boot, same boot in black, and I really like this color, hence I ordered this online. The boots are not available in our country, so I had to order it online and they have come from the States. Let's have a look at the boot, the front, the inside, the back, the outside. So let's discuss the boot. We'll discuss the boot on two major aspects. One is the upper, that is where the sole finishes up till here, and the lower, that is the sole. You'll find that the upper is completely synthetic. There is no leather here or any metal. The absence of metal makes this boot airport friendly. You will find that the high tension areas are reinforced. The rubber of the front is sturdy rubber, is thick. Then the booty is also thick, and then the rear is also very thick rubber. The rest of the boot has got this check pattern finish on top, which is supposed to stop tearing, and this is good high quality nylon. Very easy to clean and doesn't tear very easily. Plus the absence of leather and metal makes the boot very light. You will also notice that the upper has got a side zip. This is YKK side zip and it is completely plastic, but they do not fail. I used to think earlier that any boots which have side zippers will fail eventually. However, with original SWAT I found that the side zippers do not fail if you look after them decently. And also if you do not tie up the boot too tight and then use the side zippers for ingress and egress. If you keep it too tight and then try and push your feet inside through the side zipper, obviously it's going to have a lot of tension, it's going to fail in due course of time. The eyelets you will also notice are all plastic. The eyelets are all plastic. The cloth eyelets here and the ones on the top, they're all plastic. The cloth eyelets on the sides are quite important because it helps you to keep your ankles in place. Normally when you buy boots and you want to use them for any tactical application or outdoor application, you would want to keep at least about half a centimeter to a centimeter of space up front. So with that, what happens is your feet tends to move inside the boot. However, with this cinching here, which is because of this, the cloth eyelets, your ankles will remain in place and you will feel a lot of comfort because there is space up front. Your feet can breathe also. Plus, if you're coming downhill, your toes will not be rubbing on the front. Trust me, it can be very painful if you're using very tight boots and coming downhill. The size of the boot is 8 inches. I really like boots which are 8 inches tall. There are also 6 inches boot, which will come to about this height available in the market. I don't know why. It's an individual choice. People like it, let them buy it. However, I really like the 8 inches boot. Also, you will find that there is this cushion pad here at the rear to give it comfort, so there is no biting on the rear tendons of your feet. Coming down to the lower part of the boot, the most important part of any boot, and specifically in modern boots, you will find that is the sole of the boot. You should always look at the sole of the boot. The sole of this boot has got three parts. It's got a rubber outsole. Here you can see the lowest layer is rubber outsole. This is the part which comes into contact with the ground. This is rubber outsole. It isn't very hard, so which means there is going to be compromise between grip and longevity. Also, you will find that the tread pattern is very aggressive. However, these boots aren't really meant for jungle application. They are meant for more urban environments. So even though the lugs are very aggressive, you will find that they are flattish in nature. So that allows them to have decent grip on flat ground also. Then the midsole. The midsole is EVA. It's a soft compound and gives a lot of cushion to the boot. This is the major component of comfort for the boot, in addition to the boot being light. And then the third layer, you can see original swat. That is the insole which is inside the boot. So with the rubber outsole, the EVA midsole, and the insole, which is again EVA, you'll have decent comfort with the boot. These are like sports shoes on steroids, with additional comfort and also additional support. I really like the color of the boot. I use them with uniform, I'll use them with jeans, I'll use them for going around town, and for anywhere that I just want a very simple and light boot for usage. So that is my review of the boot. Yes, a word on sizing. These boots do run narrow, so if you have bought original swat before, specifically the classics, if you wear like I wear a size UK 10 in the classics, so I had to go up one size with these to a size 11. If you do not know your size, go up one size. If you think that you're between sizes, also go up one size. So that's it about the original swat Alpha Fury boot. Very imaginatively named, but nice boots. Thumbs up.